Hello, my name is Robert Foster, and I gave you a first-person tutorial kick. We almost there, near the completion. This is the whole level of the game. Right now, I want you to do this is putting the whole level together. Is we going to start testing out things. We're not going to use this as a test grid. We're going to have a test grid where we already made. So meanwhile, we gonna make a prefab of this because we already made the health script and everything else. Okay, so there's the health and there's everything. So what we're gonna do is we put the whole thing together. Go in Blender, make your level design. Use Blender or Google SketchUp for lay down your block foundation. There's nothing but blocks, nothing but blocks put together. And after you've done that, you make two levels. So you walk upstairs or use the elevator, go up the second level, and do all kinds of stuff. There's two ways. It's gonna be bad guys all over, and your mission injected to do something. When you got a crate, some mission injecting. So this is just a basic game. This is not my game. This is not a game I'm creating for myself. In which now I'll put this online, and once I finish, I will put this online. And the next game I will create will be my own, and then you'll see, because this is all these tests is putting everything together. Now put the whole game together, and then all I do is make these of templates, and then I'm just loading my character and let the templates run together. So I'm gonna run this game. We have 14 errors because we have a action error inside the playmaker. It's not it goes away when you run the game. See, it's all green. If we totally have the error, it won't run. It will go back to itself, and it will come up. The console come up. So there's no errors really. It's just the playmaker, the new playmaker, got all these errors on it, and I don't like it. And it's a lot of things I shouldn't upgrade, and and I don't like. So this is the whole level. You can run around, rip and run. That's I got the doors open. Simple triggers. Instead of triggering with my gun, so I just say player, so nobody else can't open it but me. No bad guys, no nobody can open it. Unless you make another trigger event for the enemy, and the enemy can open the door and get you. So that's the whole level. There's more back there, but it's a giant level. It's nothing inside of it, nothing interior, just nothing like props or nothing like that, like pipes running around here, or boxes, or crates and more pipes, steam, and all kinds of stuff. Stuff coming off the wall, lights on top of here, all kinds of detail. But more detail you put in the level, slower the slower the. If you don't have a fast processor, more detail you put in here, slower the game will be run, and slower your. You put a lot of detail in this, slower your. Right now it's a little slow, but because there's a lot of detail into it, but everything's low poly. But I'm putting stuff in here, lights. It's running all these lights, so I'm going to bake all these lights in, and so we're going to have one light running everything. Bake all these lights need to be baked, and I'm start baking and texturizing. But we're going to start doing this. We're going to start doing the GUI, basic GUI health, and I figured it out, and I'm still trying to figure out different scale function. I already made a simple scale function, but I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna use other things else. So I'm gonna test it out. Then we come back and I'll come back and show you what I did, and I'm gonna make the tutorial of it. So I'm I'm going to talk to you later. Bye bye.